Wema MK, angazi noma sengilate ukukhomenta kulama topic ayi3 engifuna ukukhomenta ngawo. Sanibona. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngetopic eyokuqala eka Floyd Shivambu yokuya eNamibia. Bese ngikhuluma ngenye elandelayo ye-VAT increase, bese ngilandelisa noma ngale yesigaxa eziphuma kuZizipho. Angizukhuluma ngazo ke ilandelana, sengizokhuluma noma ngayiphi. Eyokuqala nje ngifuna ukuyithinta ile yaseNamibia. Ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi yini abantu badliwa yini if u-SG wethu ehamba waye eNamibia. Kumele ukuthi abantu ba-understand ukuthi uma siyi-MK members, we are coming from i-ANC ne-EFF, we understand these things. Namanye ama-political parties angeke sizotshelwa ngokuthi u-SG wrong uma esontweni lakhe likhethwe nguye. Ngitshela ngisho nama-MK members anenkinga ngalokho. Yithini nginitshele kungani ngithi lento yoku-accuse abantu i-selective. U-SG uye eNamibia and kuthiwa uBushiri is a fugitive. Yini fugitive na? Umuntu obaleka umthetho. Ukuphi uBushiri? Is few hours away from South Africa. Yini enzima ukuthi uBushiri ayolanda? Yini enzima ukuthi umthetho wase South Africa uma ngabe uBushiri khona into wrong guy ahamba olanda? Lento le dregwa njenga no Jacob Zuma accused ngezinto ezingekho. If uPresident Ramaphosa was able to cross the border ukuyolanda amadola wakhe within minutes and come back, yini enzima ukulanda uBushiri? Kukhulunywa ngathi uBushiri is somebody who is far away from South Africa. Asingazodlala. Ayikho lonto le. U-SG unelungelo lokuya esontweni elithandwa nguye until such time uBushiri is found guilty of any offense. Sizothi uBushiri uguilty. Yilento eyenziwe ngepropaganda kupresident wethu Jacob Zuma. Bonke ama-president, bonke abantu bama-political parties, we are taught that they are innocent until found guilty. But when it comes to Jacob Zuma, ayifani. Jacob Zuma is still called a rapist nanamhlanje. Jacob Zuma is still called a state capture champion kunanamhlanje. Jacob Zuma is still called ukuthi wakhe enkandla nanamhlanje. Kodwa he has never been found guilty of any offense. Malema was accused of VBS. He was never found guilty. Nobody is telling us that Malema is corrupt. President Ramaphosa was accused of amadola. He has never been found guilty. As we speak, kune evidence that is sealed. Ye campaign Tumamina that the public is not supposed to see. Ramaphosa, nobody is calling him a corrupt president. Kotu Zuma, it is okay to call him a corrupt president. We cannot continue to understand the propaganda that is perpetuated by these parties. Coming to the issue kaZizipho. uZizipho has got a lot of amaskaxa awazisayo nge-MK. But ngifuna ukuthi abantu bangitshela ukuthi esiphi isigaxa esikhulu kunesinye when it comes to this one. uZizipho is telling us about isigaxa se-MK. i-MK yenza lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Eparlamente MK ayikho makuvoto. Awungitsheleke. Omunye ngikhumbuzo, was there a time la uZizipho called isigaxa ukumuva kuka SG from EFF to MK? Was there a time la uZizipho called isigaxa ukuresigna kuka Ndlozi? No. Isigaxa is a MK. Must bet izinto. EFF akusona isigaxa. EFF iparticipate kuwo wonke ama-by-elections. Iphuma number 3, number 4, number 5. Akusona isigaxa leso kuZizipho. Isigaxa is when MK ifuna vote of no confidence against minister, and uthi uZizipho lokho is not constitutional, but we've got ministers in the past ezike zagowa through the same process, but when MK kuyiyo eyenza lokho. No, ayazi lutho, they must research. That's why babukhopha wethu abantu be-EFF bazenze ngathi bayazi. And I mean, I'm not going to say bazenze ngathi bayazi, ngizothi bayazi, but they should transfer their knowledge into the ground. Abantu bajoin EFF, bavotele EFF, because there is no use to show us your intelligence and intellectual la ku TikTok kodwa ningenabo abantu on the ground that are voting for you. When I was isigaxa here on TikTok, MK igilethela isigaxa, say what that it has won. Uphinde uzelithi isigaxa against the MK la ku TikTok, MK igilethela isigaxa so kuwina what? MK is winning what when you let them isigaxa? How do they help you? How do they assist you? Angithi uhlakaniphile wena, usmart. And they are telling us ukuthi thina ma MK members sidam sivalekile. But when we were in EFF and siku ANC, besi smart according to them. But as soon as we join MK, sesidom. How possible is that? Let's move to the issue tax. I'm not going to tolerate the issue ukuthi sizotshela ukuthi DA ilwele tax. We all know ukuthi DA yathi izoyisupport ANC uma kuphela iscraper out iNHI, yenza sure ukuthi ama-ports aya-privatizwa, yenza sure ukuthi i-land bill is scrapped. Are you supporting abantu musho njalo? What if ANC agreed to your demands? Were you not going to vote for it? Asizona iziphukuphuku. Coming to the issue ukuthi MK never supported, never voted. How many MP members the MK has in parliament? Is it 3? Angithi MP members ezazingekho eParliament ze MK zi3. How many votes did the opposition parties get? Is it not 180? Were they only coming from EFF ne DA? Are you telling me that ama MK MPs that were there voted for VAT ukuthi increase? Let's not asingabi dom. We were not going to let go of what 110 just because kuyavotwa lapha. What 110 iphethwe abelungu. We wanted to make sure ukuthi what 110, which is something iwela ku MK, which is something that EFF has not done ne ANC. That what iwela ku MK as we speak. We were not going to compromise that. We got 180 and votes the MKs ezikhona lapho. And had we all been there, kwakuzoba 183. Nifunani kanti? Nifunani kithi? Ningasijwayeli kabi.